Hello everyone and welcome to the Android Genesis channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to root and install custom ROM called Black Diamond version 10, which is based on Android 9.0 aka Android Pie. This is a ported ROM from Note 8 version since these two devices are pretty similar by its hardware, and thank you very much for the effort Killswitch and other contributors who made this ROM stable for the daily usage. Okay, let's talk first about hardware and software needed. As for hardware, of course, we're gonna be needing Windows PC, also Samsung Galaxy S7 of course, with at least 80% of battery charge, the original USB cable and SD card inserted in the mobile device with at least 4 GB of storage. As for software, we're gonna be needing, of course, the Black Diamond, the Android Pie itself, T.W.R.P recovery mode, which is going to be flashed via Odin tool, which is a Windows tool, and Magisk version 20 root tool. Okay, so don't you worry about the software. You can find all the software necessary links in the description of this video. Okay, first thing I'm going to show you is that my device, Samsung S7, is on the latest official ROM, which is the Android 8.0 with Samsung Experience version 9.0 and with the Android security patch level from March 2020. There are some reports on the internet about people receiving the October security patch update. I mean, this is great, watch out carefully. This is the update after almost 5 years after the initial release of this device. Some say that this is the device of the decade. This is a 0 point where it has all started when it's up to Samsung with their Android One UI and following look and feel and technologies that we are experiencing in devices which came in the following years, such as with S7, S9, S10 and other premium devices. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is to copy the Black Diamond, the Android Pie itself zip file and Magisk version 20 zip file to the SD card, which I've already done, and I'm going to show you that it is on the SD card. Okay, so we can find the Black Diamond and the Magisk file. Okay, next thing what we are going to do is to flash the custom recovery T.W.R.P via Odin tool, and we're going to do it now. Before we flash the custom recovery via Odin, we need to do some settings in the device itself by going into settings, about, software information, and build number you should press several times until the developer mode is enabled. Now get to developer mode and check this OM unlock option. Pin, turn on, that's it. Now power off your device and to enter the development mode is press the volume down, home key and power key. Hold it until the message appears, and now the warning message. Hold the volume up to continue. So we are in the download mode. Connect via USB and open the Odin app. Now to flash the custom recovery, we need to select the option AP, which is the second option here. Select the recovery tar file. Okay. Press start. The device will reboot by itself. So now we flashed the recovery. So Once the custom recovery is flashed via Odin, power off your device, and to enter the recovery mode, press the volume up, home and power key. Once the Samsung logo appears, release the power key, and after 2 seconds release those remaining 2 keys so you can see the custom recovery. First thing, we are going to do some wipes to clear. First, do the format.wipe, press yes, the big formatting data, it's done, press back, again back, advanced wipe, select dalvik, system, internal storage and cache, swipe to wipe. Okay, we are done. Now we can go install, navigate to external SD card, Black Diamond by, select that and swipe to confirm flash. While it's flashing, I have an important note. If you experience some trouble after flashing custom recovery via Odin, after the first flashing is passed, maybe it's best for you to start the recovery right after the vibration signal. So right after Odin is finished, press the volume, home and power key. That's the thing that I needed to do with my device. Not sure if it's going to be necessary with yours options, but it's good to know. I'll put a note in the description. So I'll pause my video until I'm done with this basic setup, since this is something that is going to last. Looks like that flashing is almost done. Yeah. So don't you worry if you wait for about, let's say, 5 or 6 minutes after the flashing is over. When you click reboot system, you can select to install the custom recovery as a system app. I'm checking this out and do not install. So this boot animation is going to last maybe 5 or 6 minutes, so don't you worry about it. I'm going to pause this video. And once the flashing is over, I'll just quickly walk through the setup wizard so we can boot this device and verify that we are actually having the Android Pie. Okay, next. Accept. Skip. All done. And congratulations. We have the Android version 9.0 with One UI. This Android Pie, and we still need to do one more thing. If you want to root your device, we're going to do it now. So if you want to root your device, power off. Steps are pretty much the same. Volume up, home and power button. Wait up. Release the power. Release the remaining 2 keys. We got the recovery. Okay. And we do not need to do any wipes now. I'm just installing. Navigating to external SD card. Magisk version 20.4 zip file, flashing this one, Once it's flashed, reboot system. Do not install as a system up this recovery. And once rebooted, just to make sure that we have the Magisk. Yeah, there it is. Magisk Manager, so we do have rooted device now. Thank you all for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. See you guys.